Welcome guys, welcome to another college football video. So this is the first video I've made in College Football 27, the brand new game that came out a couple days ago. And I just want to show you guys all these teams right here are teams that I personally created. So if you're interested in downloading my teams, all you need to do if you have College Football 27, if you have it, all you need to do is, of course, on the home page, click on Create and Share. Click on that, and then Download Center, you click on that, and then right here on this page, under Username on the top left, on the second column, Username, right there, Connergentry96. Just type in Connergentry96, I'll have it on the screen. Username, type in Connergentry96, C-O-N-N-E-R, not O-R-E-R, Gentry, G-E-N-T-R-Y 96, no spaces. And all these teams will come up. 14 teams, 13 of them are in the Big Sky Conference. And look, so far, I've already gotten 5-star reviews on my team so far. Utah Tech, I've gotten a 5-star review. Weber State, I've gotten a 5-star review. And SUU, I've gotten a 5-star review so far. So feel free to download all of these teams. I made them most realistic as possible. And let me just show you guys real quick. Let me click on our school, SUU, preview it, and this is what the field looks like. I know it says SUU on the left end zone. On the right end zone, it says Thunderbirds. And then you have your Big Sky logos right there, the main real logo in midfield. And then you have Echoes Coliseum, Cedar City, and then our jerseys. I'll show you our jerseys here. So jerseys, you have a regular black home, and then you have your white away. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit better. White away, and then you have your Red Friday jerseys. Oh, Red Friday jerseys, aviation grays. Aviation grays. Oh, and then SUU 2024 new black jerseys as well. So there you go. We have about 5 jersey options. So that's SUU. And let me just show you, like, if you're just curious, let me show you Utah Tech, our rival, preview. This has 5-star reviews as well. So that's the field. The end zones say Utah Tech, and Big Sky logos. Greater Zion Stadium, St. George. And here's the jerseys here. So you have your regular Utah Tech red jerseys. There's the white ones. And then here's the blue ones. And then throwback Dixie State jerseys right here. Dixie State Rebels throwback. So that is Utah Tech. And then I guess I can just show you Weber State too. This also has 5 out of 5 stars, and these are all teams that I created. So Weber State, here's the field. End zones say Wildcats. So you have your Big Sky logo. Stewart Stadium, Ogden, Utah. And the capacities are off on these previews, by the way. But here's the Weber jerseys. You have your purple, you have your white, you have your blackout, and you have your purple rush. And then you have your throwback Weber jerseys with no logo on it. But yeah, and I also made all these teams realistic. Like, I made the announcers say, like, the team name. Like, the Thunderbirds are driving, or the Blazers are driving. The Wildcats are driving. Like, I made that happen. I put the years that they were established. Like, the furthest it goes to established of teams founded is 1900. That's the furthest back it goes. It doesn't go in the 1800s. So SUU, for example, was founded in 1897. But the furthest I can go back closest to that's 1900 in the game. Like Utah Tech was founded in 1911, so you can put that there. I already did that. And then I put like sounds in there too. Like when SUU scores a touchdown in this game, there's a real cannon that goes off. Just like in real life, SUU has a cannon that goes off when we score a touchdown. So that's in the game. And then like Utah Tech, Weber State have like sirens or something that goes off, or alarms. And I have that. And like, it's all for the Big Sky. It's so real. So you can and every single Big Sky team here minus Tarleton State, but all 13 teams have the Big Sky logos on there. So feel free to download all of it if you want, or just SUU or whatever you want. So hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, just type in Connergentry96 on the username and all these teams will come up.